half metre job at Beddington Infant School, Croydon. Half metre job, couple of loads. Going on really well, nearly finished now. It's got to avoid the mat for the gate, right, the closed gate and the electronic loop. But this was a surprise on the grounds. This is the old bell tower from the school. It was in 1843, and they've left it here where the old original school was, to mark where it has mark its history, I suppose. But there's the beams that the bell used to hang on, and it used to ring every day. So yeah, how interesting is that? And this is the spot it used to be in 1943. How interesting.